Hey guys, I'm Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about BEP20. BEP20 is a token standard. Token standard is a code protocol that tells people how to create, deploy, and use tokens based on their underlying blockchain. It is like a blueprint for tokens that defines how a token can be spent, who can spend them, and other overall rules for their usage. BEP20 is a token standard of the Binance Smart Chain that extends ERC20, the most common Ethereum blockchain token standard. Due to its similarity to Binance Chain's BEP2 and Ethereum's ERC20, it's compatible with both. The modified BEP20 standard is intended to improve the protocol, optimize its speed, and decrease transaction costs. BEP20 was conceived as a technical specification for Binance Smart Chain with the goal of providing a flexible format for developers to launch a range of different tokens that could be used to represent anything from shares in a business to a stable coin. Some popular tokens built on BEP20 standards are Binance USD, PancakeSwap, Cake, Bakery Token Bake, SafeMoon, and CREAM. So this was all about BEP20. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.